The Poo Files.
Poo Files, open.
Pandas. Black, white and chubby. Why? Eat a truckload of bamboo and other blimmin' carry-on. Eating a lot means pooing a lot. These monochrome mammals drop up to 23 kilos a day. It's the same weight as a big bag of dog chow. Or an average bulldog. Male. Or a single mattress. Every day. Don't do the math.
Poos.
Who's responsible for this nasty bucket of nuggets? Possum or rat? Place your bets!
Poo Facts.
Jellyfish. They don't poo because they don't have a butt. They do excrete waste, but they don't technically poop like most animals. Civilised.
Fart facts.
Zebra farts can be heard from long distances across the plains of Africa. They fart most when they're startled. Boo! Embarrassing! Oh, embarrassing.
Poos.
Remember these turds? Get in close. No, closer. No, closer. They're rounded at the end, not pointy. Possum. Righto, you've had your fun.
Poo Files, closed.